Welcome back, everybody. I hope that you're enjoying our session. We've got a few minutes left, so I'm going to try and
7 minutes. So we're going to go really, really fast. And before we go, I just want to say that we've got a little tweet for you from your class of 2011, from Benji Scheinberg. He said, Hayley, you're doing a great job. Love your Matric 2011 class.
Benj, thanks very much for that message. And to the rest of our matrics, hi, guys.
And good luck.
Good luck.
Yeah.
Okay, let's carry on. We've got a question from Glory, so let's see what the question is. In November 29, Statistics South Africa announced that the annual inflation rate was 5.8%. Then they want us to determine the price of a bicycle in November 2008 if it cost that amount in November 2009. So I'm going to work quite quickly through this. So what we have is we've got the cost in 2008, and we're going to basically be using a percentage. 2008, my price went up by 5.8%. To increase by a percentage, I can multiply by 100 and that percent. So I'm going to say my cost in 2008 times by 105.8%. And that's going to give me my cost in 2009. That's basically what this statement tells me. Whoops, we don't have a statement there. Okay, so the statement, I've lost it now. That's what the statement tells me. I now know that the price in 2008 in 2009 it cost 1,500. So let's fill that in. I've got my cost in 2000, let's get a green pen. So I've got my cost in 2008 times by 105.8% is equal to 1,586 Rand and 95 cents. So that's what the statement's telling me. All I need to do now is I need to get my cost for 2008 on its own. So I'm going to divide by, and this was 105. Where did the comma come from? 105. Divide by 105.8%. And I'm going to divide this side by 105.8%. Because those cancel and I'm left with my cost in 2008. I hope I'm not working too fast for you, Gloria. I hope that you're actually following. And now let's get our calculator out. And we have our cost. What was that cost? It was 1586.95. 1586.95. And we're going to divide that by 105.8%. And we get an answer. In 2008, the cost of that bike was 1,499 and 95 cents. So that was our answer, was 1,499.95. Okay, I want to quickly take you through the next part of the question. I'm not sure how much time we've got left. Indy?
I think we've got about 3 minutes or so.
About 3 minutes. Let's see how fast we can get through the next part of the question.
Race. Okay.
Right, calculate the projected cost of a loaf of brown bread in November 2014. So I'm looking for November 2014 if it costs R5.45 in November 2008. We're going to assume that the annual inflation rate remains 5.8% over the given period. They give us the formula. And although we're dealing with strange words like annual inflation and cost price, we actually have a compound interest formula. So all we're doing is we're going to be filling in our values into our compound formula. So our projected cost, that is the cost in November 2004. I'm going to write on this. So that's what we're looking for. That's my question mark. What is my current cost? My current cost is R5.45. How many years? I'm going from 2008 to 2014. How many years is that? So, Indy, you have an idea? What are we going to say? 14 minus 8, it's 6 years. Yay, Indy goes right.
Go, Indy.
So the number of years is 6, and our inflation rate is 5.8%. And I'd like you to write it as a decimal, or as a fraction. 5.8 over 100. So I've made that very complicated. Let's see if we can do it here. This is the second part. So we have our formula, and again, always write out your formula. So our present price was R5.45. So R5.45. And then my formula was 1 plus. My inflation rate was 5.8 divided by 100. Your calculator can do this perfectly, and the number of years was 6. So let's get our calculator out. And it was 5.45. Open that bracket, 1 plus, and use the fraction button. 5.8 divided by 100, all to the power of 6 for 6 years. And we get an answer of R7.64. So that is, our answer was R7.64. That will be the price in 2014. Somehow think there's a mistake with this calculation, because I went to buy bread yesterday and it was definitely more than that.
Definitely. Crazy.
So, but that's the answer that we got. So according to our calculations, it was R7.64. So Glory, it was Glory we were speaking to?
Yes.
Glory, I hope that I've helped you answer the question, and that I hope you now understand. And just a question to all of you, or a statement to all of you. Sometimes the wording gets us confused. We think inflation and we think, what is inflation?
Yeah.
Or we see VAT, or earlier you were asking Peter for PAYE.
Yes.
Just tackle what you know and tackle the question like one step at a time.
Yeah.
And
That's what I feel like it is. It's just something that you've got to work at.
You've got to work at in bite-sized pieces.
Yeah.
And if you've got bite-sized pieces, you can normally accomplish it and end up answering the whole question.
Amazing. And I think we've come to the end of the show, hey? I mean, yeah, okay. But anyway, guys, we've got 3,000 fans. Yay! Thanks for helping us do it during the session, and we'll be back.
And good luck to all of you for paper 2.
Good luck.
And for the IAB for paper 1 and 2, and we'll see you soon.
We're rooting for you. Bye.